is a specialized enterprise which mainly designs, manufactures, and sells drum brake lining used for cars, buses, trucks, and other asbestos to semi-metallic, with more than 1,000 specifications. All the products are strictly tested and certificated as China National Non-Metallic Mineral Products by Quality Supervision Inspection Test Center. All products conform to national standard GB 5763-98 and pass certification of TS 16949 International Quality System. The product not only sells well in many province municipalities and autonomous regions around the country, but also exports to all over the world. The annual production and sale are more than 5,000 tons. The company has the research and innovation capacity during its development by technology upgrade, by introducing the advanced equipment at home and abroad, and by absorbing the technology from Europe, US, and Japan. The innovation project from the chief engineer has awarded Innovation Fund for forms from Ministry of Science and Technology of the People's Republic of China. The chief engineer has attended and drafted many national and industrial standards on friction material. The company always adheres to the service principle of quality first. Users care, provides high-quality product and prefect services for customers, and their satisfaction is the pursuit goals of our company forever. We hope new and old customers to visit our factory.